Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I'll be showing you guys how to print custom tags for your clothing brand or clients or whatever the case may be. Basically, how to change the Gildan tag, ATC tag, any tag in a t-shirt and replace it with your own brand or client's brand. So I made a video like this in the past. You guys can click right up here. But this is an updated video to show you guys a quicker and more efficient way of doing this. So the first thing we need to do is we need to print out our tags. Ideally, your tags want to be a grayish color. Since you're going to be printing on black and white t-shirts, you don't want it to be black or white since you're not going to be able to see the tag. But a nice off gray will do the job. This will ensure that you're able to see the tag on whatever type of garment you're printing. And if you're printing on gray, you'll still be able to see it. It's just going to be tone on tone. So it's going to be less visible, but better than black or white as a color, since you're going to be able to see it on black and white. And gray is a color you print less often. So a gray tag is the way to go. So now the tag is finished cooking in the oven. You want to do the same steps as usual, just basically place your logo in the AcroWhip software, make it pass through the printer, apply the powder, and after that put it in the oven. After it's in the oven, you want to take your sheet and you want to go ahead and cut it. So we're going to move on to that step right now. So while he's cutting the tags, we're going to be cutting two mediums since that's what we're going to be pressing. This is a quick preview of the tag. It's a bit hard to see on the camera, but we got the size inside here and the washing instructions as well as the brand. So now we're going to grab our shirts. We're going to place them here. We're going to start one by one. So this is the shirt. It's already been printed on the front. Now we need to remove this tag and insert our tag. So very, very straightforward. Just place the camera here. And you just want to slide up and remove the tag. Some tags might be harder than others. You can also go one by one like this, as so. And if you have some extra, you can try removing it, or if that doesn't work, like in our case, you're going to use some scissors. So like this is perfect. You don't see the tag anymore. Now you want to take the tag that you need. In this case, we're going to be printing medium. What you're going to be needing in this video, ideally a mini press like this, link in the description, and a Teflon pillow. So first thing we want to do is we want to place our tag where we want it. Make sure it's centered, either by eye or tape. We're going to go by eye for this example. Make sure it's not crooked, everything's aligned good. And once that is done, the next step is going to be to take your mini press and simply put pressure, light pressure on the tag. This is going to make sure that it no longer moves, and you're going to be able to go to the next step. So guys, once that is done, it's really straightforward. You want to take your shirt and bring it onto the heat press. So in this case, we're going to do something like this. We place the shirt facing us, as so. Now you're not quite done, right? Because you want to put a Teflon pillow. So you want to take something like this and insert it just like this. Now, after your Teflon pillow is under, the logo is no longer moving, so you're safe to go. You can go ahead and cover it with a Teflon paper and just press. You want to press it for around 17 seconds at 290 to 310 Fahrenheit, depending on your settings. So anywhere from 290 to 310 Fahrenheit for around 17 seconds. Once it beeps, you're done. You can remove the press. Now you just want to apply some pressure either with a cloth. We use a ceramic plaque, but you can use whatever you want just to apply some pressure on the logo. And now you want to peel with confidence, going towards you. We're going to go ahead and repress the tag. Perfect. And if you guys want to go an extra step, if you feel like the tag has not been properly pressed, you can also use your mini press and place a Teflon paper over it and go ahead and just like apply some pressure with the mini press once it's been pressed. But in our case, we can see that everything is okay. It's been pressed properly. So we're gonna move on to the second shirt so I can show you guys more examples. So this one is done. It looks absolutely incredible. I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna move on to the next shirt. All right guys, so now you got your shirt. It's on the table. You wanna remove the tag. That's the first step. Nice, we don't have to cut it with scissors. So now we're ready to put our tag. Make sure it's the proper size. So in this case, this was a medium. We have a medium tag. Want to insert the tag inside and place it underneath the seam right here if ever it's going bigger. And you want to center it. You can do it by eye most of the time. Now that's good. We're going to go ahead, use our mini press and place it down so it doesn't move anymore. So take your mini press, insert it inside the shirt. You can move this if you're having issues getting inside. So that's good. It won't move anymore. Now we bring it to the press. Same step. Put the shirt on the press. Take a Teflon pillow. Insert it like this. And now you're ready to press. Another way you guys can do it is actually flip the shirt inside out, but that takes a bit more time. We find that this way is quicker and it gives good results as well. But you could in theory just flip the shirt inside out and press it as normal. So like I said, you want to peel with confidence. Make sure the logo is not hot anymore. It's still hot, so we're going to apply more pressure with this plaque. This is a hot peel, but you still want to make sure that it's properly adhered to the garment. And peel with confidence. As you guys can see, flawless results every single time using this method. Very simple, quick, and easy. Now we're going to go for the final press. And basically, after that's done, you're done printing the tags. And there we have it, guys, a finished result. So that's basically how to go ahead and print custom tags. There's many ways of doing it. This is one of the ways we do it personally here at Hole Printing Inc. Quick, easy, and efficient. Flawless results pretty much every single time. So if you guys found this video somewhat helpful on how to print custom tags for your clothing brands or for your clients, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.
That's it? Yeah.